Everyone dreams of living a life full of freedom, happiness, and success. But here's the truth, dream lives are not handed to us, they are built step by step, through vision, action, and consistency. If you really want to live the life you've always imagined, you need to create it with your own hands. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Get clear on your vision. Your dream life starts with clarity. Most people don't live their dreams because they don't even know what their dreams are. Take time to sit down and write out your ideal life in detail, where you live, what kind of home you have, what career or business you're in, the type of people you're surrounded by, even how your mornings and evenings look. The clearer your vision, the stronger your focus will be. Remember, you can't hit a target you can't see. Step 2. Build the right habits. Dreams are not achieved by big bursts of effort but by small daily habits. If you want health, start by building habits like exercising regularly, drinking more water, and eating clean. If you want financial freedom, build habits of saving, budgeting, investing, and learning high-income skills. Your habits are like bricks, and every single day you are either building the foundation of your dream life, or wasting it. Step 3. Upgrade your environment. Your environment either lifts you up or pulls you down. If you want to grow, surround yourself with positive, ambitious people who inspire you and challenge you to do better. Change your surroundings, consume positive content, and spend time in spaces that give you energy. If your circle doesn't support your vision, you need to create a new one. Step 4. Take consistent action. The difference between dreamers and achievers is action. Your dream life will not come from thinking about it, it comes from doing something about it every single day. Even small steps compound into massive results over time. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it never comes. Start with what you have, where you are, and keep moving forward with discipline.